Education Director for Deadwood History, and today we're going to learn about things that fly, like my stickers that just flew off the table. We're going to make a giant paper airplane today. This is a really easy, simple craft to do. Thank you, Miss Chelsea. And you can make it with things that you might have in your house. If you don't have a giant poster board, you can use several sheets of paper taped together. We're also going to use things like stickers, markers. You don't even need any scissors or anything like this, just maybe a little bit of tape and a giant piece of paper. So we're going to start today with our big poster board. I have it right here. You can spend some time decorating it however you want, or you can wait till after you've folded it up into an airplane shape. But you can use stickers, markers, paint. You can paint it a little bit. It's however you want it to look. There's no wrong way for your airplane to look. They're all going to look amazing. And then what you're going to do is you're going to fold it just like a paper airplane. Now I'm going to move some of my supplies off so that I have a little bit of room to work with. But we might need those a little bit later. But here's the one that I made earlier, so you can see I decorated mine with stickers, and we're going to see how well this flies in just a little bit. But I'm going to tell you how to fold your paper airplane. We're just going to go with a simple basic dart kind of airplane, and we're going to start by folding it in half. Now this is an undecorated plane, but like I said, you can decorate it any way you want. You're going to fold it in half as well as you can, and this might take a little bit of extra strength just because it is a thicker paper than your normal computer paper. So I have something a little bit sturdier to help me make my folds. I'm using a coffee cup. You can use a rock or a pair of scissors, the end of them. Just be really, really careful when you do that. But I used a coffee cup just because it's a little bit easier. It's got a handle. So I folded my poster board in half. And now I'm going to make the top of my airplane, the front of my airplane, just by folding in one corner like this. Just like that. And then the other side is going to match. And like I said, you're going to want to have something a little bit sturdier to help you make your folds. So I have my folds now. I'm going to make sure that they're really nice and creased. Just like that. Now this isn't the only kind of paper airplane that you can make. There's all sorts out there. If you just search them online, they'll give you all sorts of templates and things like that for you to be able to make. But like I said, this is just a basic dart template. Really easy to make. Made these all the time when I was in school. So now I've got my folds like this, and now I'm going to fold into the center once more. I'm going to take this corner right here and put it towards the middle so that it's nice and straight. Just like that. And I'm going to, again, make sure that my fold goes all the way to the edge. I'm going to use my handy tool right here. Make sure it's nice and flat. And then I'm going to do the same to the other side, so that it's nice and sharp. All the way down. So I have a nice little end all the way, and then I'm going to fold it in half. So I already made my half fold right here, so it's really easy to get right on in there. And I'm just going to make sure that all of my folds are nice and creased, because that's going to make it fly a little bit better. All right, and then last folds, I'm going to take this end right here, this edge right here, and I'm going to fold it to the bottom. So I'm going to match up those corners, and I'm going to make sure that my fold right here is nice and straight, just like that. And then I'm going to do the same to the other side. Now if you decorate your airplane with things like paints or anything like that, you're going to want to make sure that they're nice and dry before you fold them all up. Otherwise you're going to get paint all over your hands, and that would be bad. It'd be really messy. But like I said, you can decorate them however you want. So I've got my paper airplane all nice and ready to go, just like that. I could put a drawing of an airplane on the side. I could, let's see, what could I do on here? I could probably name my airplane. What do they name airplanes these days? Or I'd probably put something about Deadwood history on there. Just right across there. I might draw some flowers or some stars, or I'm not a great artist, but I could probably throw in some cats and dogs, things that I really like. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna test out my airplane now. I might have to unplug my microphone, but I'm pretty loud in general, so shouldn't be a problem. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna give this a toss right out that way, and we'll see how well this flies. It's okay if it doesn't go really well the first time around, because you know what? I can just redo it. I can do it again, and I can unfold it and try again. It's not always gonna work out the first time, but we're gonna try and we're gonna see what this looks like. It is a lot heavier than a normal paper airplane, so the end of it might get a little bit crumpled. That's okay. I can fix it. That's no problem. So let's see how this works. You ready? All right, let's see. I mean, that was pretty good. That was pretty decent. Not too bad. Let's try the other one that I have just so that we can get another shot. Let's have it go this way towards Miss Chelsea. And I'll try not to hit you guys. Oh, nice. So that is our giant paper airplane today. Like I said, you can make it with a giant poster board. If you don't have a giant poster board in your house, you can tape 4 to 6 pieces of paper together, decorate it however you want. And if you do this craft, let us know. Post it online, tag us on Facebook, Deadwood History, hashtag Deadwood History. Let us know, let us see it. I want to see all the paper airplanes that you make. And we try to do these videos every day, different times of day. Keep an eye on our Facebook, and I'll be back next week with a new craft. Bye.